The primary concern of the architectural firms is that the graduates should be profession ready. That means they should have been imparted all the skills and knowledge that are required for a person to join an architectural office. Unfortunately, because of the proliferation of schools all over the country, it has become very difficult for colleges to provide this critical requirement of the architectural profession. The way to overcome this is to build a very strong team of visiting professionals, those who are engaged in very good architectural practices, getting involved in the studios. Unfortunately, not all schools are able to attract good architectural professionals because of several reasons, and one of the reasons could be the location of the school. Schools which are located far away from the metropolitan cities find it very difficult for professionals to visit regularly and provide the critical inputs. In the current scenario, we do not have a platform which can train the fresh BArch students so that they become profession ready. There is a very big gap between the skills and knowledge of many fresh graduates and the expectations of the architectural firms. Therefore, to my mind, there is a critical need to bridge this gap between the expectations of the profession on the one hand and the capabilities and skills of the fresh graduates on the other hand. I am very glad to note that the A1 Tech has come forward in a big way to fill this gap which I just now talked about. And the academy has designed a number of courses which are all online, which attempt to train the students in those aspects of the profession which are not really taught in the schools. Several specialized streams in practice, namely project management, construction management, tendering and contract procedures, etc., are all covered in the online course. In the colleges, the inputs which are given are necessarily such that the purely practical aspects of the profession are not covered, and this gap is therefore filled by this online course. I would strongly recommend this online course not only to the fresh BArch graduates and BE graduates, but also to those graduates who have had a short experience in the field but strongly feel that they have not been able to observe all the dimensions of the architectural practice. Therefore, such graduates who have spent some time in the field but strongly feel that they lack some of the critical aspects of how practice is undertaken can do this course and improve their employability.
Join A1 Tech Interior Construction course and emerge with confidence.